My name is Pooja Upadhyay, and I'm from Mumbai. As far as my qualification concerned, I'm graduate in commerce, and I'm a housewife. I have two kids, and I learn. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like to reading book and drawing, painting, dancing. And this is my short introduction. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, this is Akanksha from Delhi. Hmm. Yes, I'm a housemaker as well as I'm a YouTuber. I have YouTube channel mm, where I post conversation video and shorts video regarding grammar. And if I talk about my qualification, I have completed my post graduation in political science before marriage. Yes.
Okay, that's so wonderful.
What's your day today?
Today is my days is as usual. There is no special thing, and if I talk about weather, there weather is very pleasant. There is no temperature is normal, so I don't have any like a cold. So I don't need to wear a sweater. All this, so I'm so happy that I don't feel any cold. You tell me how is weather there?
If I talk about my side there in Delhi, I couldn't see sunlight. It's been 2 weeks. I
Oh my
couldn't
God.
see sunlight because everywhere you can find everywhere foggy and cloudy weather.
Okay.
Cold, too much cold. This is that's why I'm wearing two sweaters.
Okay. My God. So I also went to village and there I saw there is a whole day long fog all over and there is no sunlight. Everyone freezing and somehow they burn some wood and they take a worm from there and like allow they said that allow and they take a worm from there and otherwise they always feel cold and when I came back so I am happy that I don't feel any cold. So
Okay. Okay, then can we talk about any season? Okay, which one season do you like most?
I like this mm, after winter this season come what it's called, it's
Spring
a
season?
spring season. Yes, spring season is a very pleasant for everyone and everywhere in village as well and everywhere there is no cold and there is no raining and no hot so much, so it's a good. So it is time to go picnic or somewhere. So I like spring season a lot more than all these things, all this winter, summer, and rainy. Yes.
Okay. What about your thinking about winter season? What do you, it means, do you like winter season or not?
I like, but when it goes like temperature goes like a 6 or 7, so that time I don't like because at that time you have to wear lots of sweater and all this and when you sleep, so you have to wear you have to use a like a what it called quite
Yes, black.
not a blanket is not going to use it that time. You have to use a thick quite it called quite. Yes,
Yes.
so that is I don't like because it's so heavy and you can't sleep. Yes,
Okay.
so I don't like that. And in a rainy season, so raining is always disturbed when you go out, so you can't do anything in outside. If you wanted to do some work like anything, you wanted to buy some vegetable or anything, so you are not able to go. And with the, yes, with the help of umbrella or raincoat you go, but in spite of that you get wet. Yes. So and what do you feel Do you like cold this winter season or summer?
Mm, I winter season because I'm also I become a very lazy person when it comes to suffer winter season that time because if I talk about any doing work, that means I feel very lazy. I procrastinate my work sometime, not every day. Sometime I feel because of in terms of doing on work and saving the time, it is very difficult because we have a very short day in a winter season. That moment we cannot finish our all work on time. Okay,
Yes,
and that time that moment we want to save our time for studying for doing any extra work. That time it is very difficult sometimes, and that's
yes,
why
yes,
I want to spend my more time in a summer because summer season has a summer season already long day, and we can do lot of work, and we free from all clothes because whatever we wear in a winter season, it means two sweater, socks, gloves, these things we wear in a winter season. That means we cannot wear in a summer season. We are already free in this types of
yes,
wearing clothes, and we have to wash it in a winter season when we have a cold, and we feel very cold and we don't feel like doing any washing any clothes that time. However, we have to wash because we are wearing clothes,
yes, yes,
sweater of things. And children also using these types of cloths, sweater, warm cloths, these types of cloths they wearing. And that moment we have a lot of cloths to wear to wash in a
yes,
freezing time and winter
yes,
time. It is very
yes,
difficult sometime, but I use my machine washing machine. That is very good thing, but however I have to touch water, which is
yes,
very difficult.
yes, yes.
Yes,
And
but
doing the dishes, doing the dishes, it's a really, it's a like a, it's a don't, nobody like to do that.
yes, yes, it's a very difficult task. Doing dishes, laundry, this kind of things. Oh my God, it's a very difficult task, and taking bath also.
Yes,
I'm a I'm
yes,
I'm a person who wants to take bath no matter whether it's very cold, very hot, no matter. But I have to take bath every day. I
yes,
It's my daily routine. That's why I cannot procrastinate in this routine because I every day take bath. It's my routine since my childhood.
yes,
Yes,
yes. Children's skip this in winter season.
of course, of
Yes.
course.
Yes.
But
So, yes, yes, continue.
winter season I like most just because of in terms of eating, piping hot samosas, fritters, chai, tea, and coffee. These things which is very like in this season. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. And in this winter season, tea, coffee, people are consuming a lot because of
Course.
yes, because of cold. When they
Mhm.
take, they feel warm.
Yes,
Yes,
and you can say that we can digest a lot of things like we can digest whatever we want to eat. We can eat in this season very easy way. Gajar ka halwa, parathe, these types of piping hot things we can eat
yes,
very fascinate, very easy
yes,
way we can eat. But
yes,
when it comes to summer vacation, that is very difficult to digest everything. That moment we need only cold things like a
yes,
juice,
yes,
drink, cold drinks.
yes,
These types of things we like eat.
yes. And everyone likes salad along with the food. And in this winter season, they mostly people are don't like to eat a salad with food. But in a summer season, there is a it's a must to have at that time. Everyone need to have salad. So at
Yes.
this time, you need winter season.
Yes.
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 So
That
I
like
my My question
Hmm.
is, in winter season, how you manage all the drying clothes and washing clothes all?
Mostly I use my washing machine. Whenever I wash my clothes, that time I use my machine.
It's hardly dry.
Yes,
Yes,
and it's very difficult to dry it very easy in a one day. No, it is not possible. When it's sunlight comes, that time it can dry very easy way. But when it's a foggy day and that is the sunlight is not coming, and that time you want to dry your clothes, that is very difficult.
yes,
Especially the
yes,
wool, especially the woolen cloths. It's
yes,
very difficult to dry it in a winter
yes, of
season.
course,
And in
yes,
this time, I can say about my area in Delhi, it's very difficult task to dry our clothes. Even
yes,
we cannot dry our cotton cloths also in a one day, because a whole day we can find foggy day and we cannot see the sunlight. It's been
yes.
2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks we couldn't see sunlight, which is very
Okay.
difficult to live here.
Yes, of course. When we can't see the sunlight, it's very difficult for skin. It's a very important to come, and but in this January, this always every year happen. So you must you how long have you been living in Delhi?
It's been 10, 11 years.
Okay, you must have a lots of experience to living in this season. Yes,
Yes.
my sister is also living in Delhi.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
but
Mm.
I don't have experience of living in. When I go some for some reason I go to village. At that time I face this problem. Otherwise I stay in Mumbai, so there is no this kind of weather comes. So it's I don't have this type of problems create in my life. Yes.
And in winter season, what do you do? In winter season, when you feel very cold, that time, how can you control yourself? What do you do for reduce your cold, cough, these types of things? If you have then that time,
Yes.
whole day, whole day
Yes.
you use your heater or just you stay with your gas chula in term in front of. What do you do?
Yes, when I went to village, my mother-in-law suggests me that don't make a food on gas. Save the gas, and as well as you heat your warm yourself by using chula. So I started using, and it was really great. Everyone is sitting around, and they are making food, having fun. They are talking with each other, and this it's like a very I feel very happy, and make made food by chula. But I didn't know about that, but my mother-in-law helped me, and she taught me everything how to make food. So this time people are not using chula, so it's very difficult to make, but my mother-in-law know everything, so she always teach us.
Yes, and while talking, we can cook our food very easy way and we can heat up ourselves also, which is very
Yes,
good. If you live
yes,
in a village area, that time it's types of facility you can available very easy way. But
yes,
in if I talk about city area, that is the very rarely you can find chulha, these types of things you can find very rarely. That
yes,
moment you need to use your heater whole day, which is
yes,
very
yes,
which is not good safe for our health.
yes, yes,
Heater.
of course. Yes, and in do you do in winter season for warm yourself?
Especially first of all I need to cover myself proper way. First I use my 2 3 sweaters you know Still I'm using 2 sweater and one inner and one cloth, and cap also, socks, these types of things I use most of the time. And then I take tea, warm tea, and
Okay.
Otherwise, I make some fitters in evening for my children, for my husband, and these types of things I mostly do in a winter season. Yeah.
Yes, you told me that you use a heater. Yes. And all day long you use heater.
No, not a whole day. Just when I feel very cold, when I doing my dishes, after doing my dishes, after taking bath, this time I use my heater. And before sleeping at night, that time I warm myself, heat up myself, then I go to my bed. In a, especially in a night time and in a morning time, when I take bath, after taking bath I heat up myself, because that time I feel very cold that moment. And whole day I don't use my heater, just I heat up my all rooms only, and then I switch off heater.
So, if I talk about in Mumbai, there is no cold, but still, lots. If you go out in a market, so you will easily get sweater. Yes. So
Okay.
it's yes, it's very good. If anyone go from here, so they can buy easily get sweaters. Yes.
But here also available, there's just so many kind of sweaters you can find in Delhi also. There's just so many market available.
Yeah, there is a cold, but here no, there is no cold. But even then, they are selling sweaters.
Okay. Just because of winter season is going on, na? That's why.
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay, so let's call off the meeting.
Okay, okay.
Have a great day and nice conversation with you.
Yeah, same